Pass to Eusebio, number 77 to Bautista sa corner, perimeter, wala rebound ni Gabiola, wala rebound ni Esquivel, tumangawad Gabiola still, side step to this goal para kay Gabiola, Kagawad, Peña, dribbling, ayaw pass, malakas, sa kanya pa rin, kay Esquivel, stop, pass, umatake, Kagawad, Kagawad pa rin, Garcia, pick, wala, rebound, nila kamalik, pass to Chu, Bautista, wala, rebound, is good, gumawa lang ng punto sa rebound, for 3, wala, rebound ni Bautista, dribbling, tulis na sa kalawa, hali ito, PCC na ulit. Kagawad, Esquivel, Kagawad, pick, umatake, steal, rebound, complete, steal, para kay Gabiola, makabayong, Eusebio, basket is goal.
Simpleng shoot.
Lamang na ng
6 pa kalamangan.
Kagawad Garcia, umatake.
Boom, dapat.
On the ball left, substitution. 2 minutes, 41 seconds. Gayada, umatake. Wala. Rebound ni Faustino, pass to Gabiola. To Eusebio, pass to Bautista, perimeter, wala mo rin, Esquivel, rebound, to Atasha, baba, sa gitna, Luper, wala, rebound, transition pass, para kay Eusebio, isip, para kay Eusebio,
lahat na lang ayaw.
Ang kalamangan. Last 2 minutes sa third quarter. Atasha, Kagawad, 3, 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to Eusebio, to Faustino, to Eusebio for 3, wala, rebound. 3-4-8 ball. SK, dribbling, pass to Atasha, to Esquivel, Domingo, basket, gandang galaw para kay Esquivel. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Number 3, Chu, pass to Bautista, to Gabiola, pass to Bautista, still, recover, ni Chu, 8 to shoot, Eusebio, to Faustino, 5 to shoot, 3 to shoot. It's a shot clock violation.
Kalbo natin. Kalburo to.
1 minute, 4 seconds. SK Chairman. SK, umikot. Ang ganda naman nun para kay SK. Eusebio, lumipad.
Nice shoot, Eusebio.
Nakakarami na. Basic yung laro. SK, Pugelyada sa corner, wala. Rebound ni Faustino, binigay kay Eusebio, shuffling, taking his time.
Highlight.
Matake sa kanya, break, bounce pass, matake.
Okay, parang.
Eusebio. Offensive foul. It's a chicken wings. Second foul para kay Eusebio. SK, umatake, uli. Atasha to Garcia. Atasha 10 to shoot.